Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Gold has had a phenomenal week. Price has broken above 5,200 and now it's trading at 5,278. So the big question is what happens next week? Are we going higher or is a pullback coming? Today we are going to do a complete gold price prediction and trade analysis for the week of March 2 to March 7, 2026. We will go through the weekly, daily, and 4-hour chart and give you a clear trade ideas with exact level. So stay with me till the very end. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon. So right now, gold is trading at around 5,278 per ounce. Let me give you a quick recap of what happened recently. Gold hit all-time high of 5,595 back on January 29, 2026. Then we saw a very sharp and aggressive crash all the way down to around 4,400 on February 2nd. Since that low, gold has been in a strong recovery mode, and last week it broke above the key 5,200 resistance level, which is very significant development. Now, what is driving this recovery? First, US-China trade war tensions are keeping safe haven demand alive. Second, the US dollar has been under pressure with Trump tariff concern waiting on the market. Third, the Federal Reserve is still expected to cut rate multiple times in 2026. And fourth, central banks globally continue to accumulate gold. The World Gold Council expects around 850 tons of central bank buying in 2026. All of these is supporting for gold. Let's analyze the weekly chart. The big picture on the weekly chart, the long-term uptrend is absolutely intact. Gold has gone from 2000 early 2024 to all-time high to 5,595. This is a historic bull run. After the sharp correction in early February, the current week's candle is showing a strong bullish close above 5,200, and this is very encouraging for the bulls. On the weekly chart, you can see the key horizontal level that I have marked. 5,108 is now acting as a support level. This was previously a resistance. Now price has flipped into the support. This is a bullish sign. 4,950 is the next major support below that. 4,809 is a deeper support level in case of a bigger correction. On the upside, the next major resistance is around 5,600, and that is near all-time high. If gold can close next week candle above 5,300, the path to retesting 5,595 opens up. The weekly trend is bullish. Buy the dip is still the dominant strategy. Now let's move to the daily time frame for a more detailed picture. On the daily chart, the recovery from 4,400 to low is clearly visible. Gold has been marking higher lows and higher highs on the daily chart, which is a textbook bullish structure. Look at the key level on your daily chart, 5,108. This is now a key support. Gold bounced strongly from this level and is now trading well above 5,278. 4,950 is the second support level. Buyer step in aggressively here during the February correction. For the upside, on the daily chart, price is approaching to 5,300 to 5,320 area, which is a short-term resistance zone identified by multiple analysts. A clean break above 5,320 on a daily close would open the path to 5,448 and eventually back toward all-time high at 5,595. The daily RSI is in bullish territory, not yet overbought, which means there is still room for gold to push higher before any exhaustion sets in. Overall, the daily chart is very constructive for bulls. Let's jump into 4-hour chart. Now this is where we get our exact trade setup, the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart clearly shows the three key support level I have drawn: 5,208, 4,950 and 4,809 for deep support. And the price is currently at 5,278, pushing against the next resistance area around 5,280 to 5,300. On the 4-hour chart, I can see that gold has been marking a clean ascending structure since the February lows, higher lows, higher highs. The volume on bullish candle is picking up, which confirms the buyer is in strong position. Here is my trade ideas for the next week. Trade 1, buy on pullback. If gold push back to 5,108 support zone next week, support zone and holds, this is a strong buy opportunity. I would enter around 5,100. My target 1 would be 5,280. My target 2 would be 5,400. My stop loss would be below 4,950. Trade idea 2, buy on breakout. If gold breaks above 5,300, with a strong bullish 4-hour candle close, that is a breakout buy signal. I would enter around 5,320. My target 1 would be 5,448. My target 2 would be 5,595. All-time high retest stop, all-time high retest zone. My stop loss would be below 5,108. Now let's jump into the trade idea 3, which is a bearish scenario. If gold fails to hold above 5,100 and breaks below this level with strong selling pressure, then we could see a drop toward 4,905, then 4,408. In that case, wait for confirmation at 4,950 support before considering any long position. Do not short gold aggressively. The overall trend is still bullish. The key level to watch for the entire week is 5,108 on the downside and 5,320 on the upside. Those two levels will decide next week direction. Let's analyze the fundamental factors. Number 1, US manufacturing PMI. This data releases early in the week. A weak PMI reading will wait on the US dollar and support the gold price. Number 2, US-Iran tension in Middle East, that could be a factor for gold price. Number 3, US ISM service data, another important economic indicator. Weaker data equals dollar weakness equals gold strength. Number 4, US initial jobless claims releases on Thursday. Higher jobless claim will increase Fed rate cut expectation, which is a bullish for gold. And the final thing is Trump tariff situation. The ongoing trade tension between the US and its trading partners are creating uncertainty, and uncertainty always benefits gold as a safe haven asset. Keep a close eye on those events. They can create sharp and fast move in the gold market next week. So now let's come to the final prediction. All right, here is the final summary for gold. Week of March 2nd to March 7th. Current price is 5,278. Overall bias is bullish. Trade idea 1, buy on pullback to 5,100. Trade idea 2, buy on breakout above 5,320. Trade idea 3, if 5,108 breaks, wait for the support at 4,950 before any long entry. So long-term bias remains strongly bullish. JPMorgan is targeting gold at 6,300 by end of 2026. Central banks are buying. Safe haven demand is high. The dips are for buying, but always with a proper stop loss. Please remember, this is for educational purpose only. If it is not a financial advice, always manage your risk and use stop loss on every single trade. This is it for today's gold price prediction for the week of March 2nd. I hope this analysis gave you a clear direction and trade ideas for the next week. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Drop a comment below. Are you bullish or bearish on gold next week? Let me know. See you in the next video. Trade safe, trade smart. Thank you.